Hello and welcome to Lesson 1, titled, How to Win Gold in MeChat Universe. Without further ado, let's go on this exciting adventure. Before we begin, there are a few things you should know. First, the business challenges inside are not for everyone. MeChat Universe is for people who are not happy with how things are going in their lives and think they can make things better, and wish there was a place, a community to connect with like-minded people. Guess what? Your dreams of a better life can come true. Imagine this, in the world of competition, people usually talk about the players, but MeChat Universe flips the script and does things differently. MeChat Universe is an online business school where the coaches, the owners, the educators, and the experts step onto the field and become the star players themselves. In MeChat Universe, all business plan writers, coaches, and their clients collaborate in a game of business and finance. MeChat Universes offer a range of open training environments designed to facilitate collaboration and skill development alongside your peers. Much like the Olympics, the MeChat Universe Olympics is an exhilarating platform to ignite motivation and provide recognition, feedback, and a sense of achievement to participants. With MeChat Universe, think of the homeroom as your starting point in the Olympics. It's like a special room that's always open, and you can go there whenever you want. In this room, you'll find all sorts of tools and materials to help you learn about business and about the health of your strategy. To write a business plan from homeroom, you first need to pick a challenge. Each challenge teaches you something different about your big idea to ensure you have that part of your plan covered. Winning gold in all challenges and events gives you the confidence that you have a solid business plan that can improve the chapters in your life. The goal now is to write a business plan by completing as many chapters as you can in 1 year. To begin your business plan chapters, scroll down and select the business plan you want to write. Next, choose a challenge that interests you. Challenges will test your business acumen, writing skills, leadership, and strategy. And last, choose the class. This is take you to the chapters that you can write for your business plan. You are joining a league of the greatest masterminds, and to become champion you have to start creating your mark today. Here's how we're going to help you do it. By the year 2025, MeChat Universe will have finished a plan that took them 5 years to create. It's called the MeChat Universe Business Plan Olympics. There are lots of things to learn about money and success, and the Business Plan Olympics is here to help you learn them all. Every competition season brings together thousands of people who have business plans. Even if you don't have one, MeChat Universe will give you online challenges, workshops, and templates that you can use to create your own business plan. You can work on it from home, at work, or even when you're traveling. Each year, you'll start a new adventure of business, strategy, leadership, and financial literacy, and when you're done, you'll always have the best, most updated success strategy that money can buy. Don't let life pass you by without having a success story of your own to tell. This is a chance to invest in yourself and your future, and create a roadmap to success that is always greener on the other side. Make your future brighter by signing up with MeChat Universe. After signing up, you can log into your business plan. The first place you will go is to the executive summary of your membership. From here you can view the syllabus, a few campus sites, and your actual business plan. To write a business plan for the next Business Plan Olympics, click the Write a Business Plan button. This will take us to the beginning of our business plan where we can start filling out data for each of the chapters. During the Olympics, each chapter will be judged separately. This way, you can monitor which areas of your business requires attention in real time. There are over 29 curated chapters that you can subscribe to. Plus each challenge level has its own 29 chapters for a total of 600 plus chapters that you can add to improve your business plan. You can also request custom and turnkey chapters to be added to your business plan that are not judged for competition. Now let's write our business plan by adding text to the input box. If you don't see the input box, scroll down until you see the first question. So as you see, we have some placeholder data in the place where we need to type. Next I have some pre-written text in a document, so I'm going to copy this and paste this into the box. And as you can see, MeChat Universe is always making our business plans look better. But I'm going to format it some more. Now that I'm done, I want to complete a few more chapters in my business plan before I view my results. So now that all of the chapters are finished, I want to save and view my business plan by clicking the button. As you see, your results are laid out in a beautiful format. Because I am subscribed to a higher challenge level, I have access to additional learning aids and extended learning features. These features add additional information that investors want to see about my startup directly on my business plan. Come with us on this amazing adventure towards a billion-dollar future and your dreams of success. But wait, there's more. To improve your chances of success, you can purchase one of our exclusive learning aids. These tools are called learning aids as they're like extra packs of knowledge to help you create a winning success plan. With MeChat Universe School of Business and our Business Plan Olympics, anyone, no matter where they are or when they want to learn, can make the perfect plan to achieve their dream life. And then the magic happens. On July 3, 2025, the world competes. During the Business Plan Olympics, experts will give you feedback and help you make your plan even better. You'll work on your plan until the competition is over, and the best plan wins and the winner is crowned. Craft your own roadmap to success using MeChat Universe, and that winner could be you. You'll get the education, support, and software you need to reach your goals and create an amazing success story. And last but not least, the benefits. Even if you're just starting, our entry-level business plan challenges will help you create a success story and then display it through beautifully designed business plan formats. No matter which challenge you choose or business plan format, with MeChat Universe you get a lifelong tool that you can use to clearly explain your ideas to your family and friends, business partners, and other members who might want to invest in your ideas. You can edit your plan anytime, day or night, until it's just right. Then, when your plan reaches its full potential, you can pitch your idea for some really big prizes. So are you ready? Are you really ready to start improving yourself and win some amazing rewards? If not, watch the video again until you feel confident that you're prepared for this life-changing adventure. In 2025, you don't want to be the only one missing the world's first Business Plan Olympics, where anyone who's serious about their future can grow and reach new levels in their dream life. Your ticket gives you the platform to create an amazing story on the world's biggest stage, MeChat Universe. You might have to learn about leadership, talking to lots of people, and overcoming your fears, but the awards in business and finance will be worth it. MeChat Universe is here to help you communicate your billion-dollar idea to the world, one plan, 1 year, 1 championship Olympics at a time. Challenge yourself to live up to your potential in MeChat Universe, where there are endless possibilities for your success story. So, sign up today and find out if life can be even better with a winning plan.